The question is to find the limit. If we substitute 2 for x, then that's going to be equal to 0 over 0. So what we have to do is we have to rationalize this expression because we have a square root, right? So we're going to multiply both the numerator and denominator, x plus square root x plus 2, x plus square root x plus 2. Then this limit is equal to, as x approaches 2, numerator we have x squared minus 4, right? That can be factored, x minus 2 times x plus 2. And we have x plus square root of x plus 2. Oops, I have to have parentheses here, right? Denominator, it's going to be x squared minus square root x plus 2 squared. So that's x squared minus x plus 2, right? And if we eliminate this parenthesis, then that's going to be x squared minus x minus 2. So far so good. Now this is equal to limit as x approaches 2. Denominator can be factored, x minus 2, x plus 1, right? And numerator we have x minus 2, x plus 2 times x plus square root of x plus 2. So same factor x minus 2 cancels out. And if we substitute 2 for x, then that's going to be equal to 2 plus 2, 4, right? 4 times 2 plus square root of 4 over 2 plus 1, 3. So that is equal to 4 times 2 plus 2, which is 4, 3. So that's a 16 over 3, right?